Hey everyone, it's Heather Plushie, and I'm back with another video. This is a trade unboxing from my friend Kyle. Oops! They all fell out. Okay, so we got a Douglas Chihuahua. We got Spirit, which I'm keeping for my collection because I have a Spirit collection. We have the Fair Schwartz Bashan, I think. And he's bigger than I thought, so cool. Those two are going up for sale. Cats vs. Pickles, I'm keeping for my collection. I collect Cats vs. Pickles, if you guys don't know. And I thought this one was really adorable. And then we have a Douglas horse going up for sale. And the Stingray. For now, I'm keeping him in my collection. I love Stingrays. He's so adorable. So yeah, that is small trade unboxing from my friend Kyle. And do we have a note? Yes. Okay. Here's the note. Aww. Yeah, we're definitely going to have to do more trades. But yeah, this is what I got for now. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.